Hey everyone! Welcome back to Tech Disruptors, the series where we break down the breakthroughs flipping old systems on their heads. If you're new here, hit that like and subscribe button right now. Because today, in episode 3, we're diving into a game changer that's quietly transforming industries, cities, and even your health: digital twins. Let's start with something familiar. Ever worn a smartwatch that monitors your heart rate, sleep, or stress? Or checked Google Maps before heading out, only to see your route turn red with live traffic jams? Guess what? You're already living with digital twins. In plain terms, it's a virtual version of something physical, like your car, your body, or your entire city, kept alive with real-time data. But it's more than just a 3D copy. It's like a smart clone that learns, predicts, and helps you make better decisions. Take your smartwatch. It tracks your heartbeat, sleep, stress. Now imagine that data building a digital version of you, so a doctor can test treatments before you even take a pill. It's like a living mirror that doesn't just reflect, it advises. The idea of a digital twin isn't brand new. It goes back to NASA's Apollo missions, when engineers built physical twins on Earth to troubleshoot problems happening millions of miles away in space. Today, it's the same idea, but powered by IoT sensors, cloud computing, and AI. Every real digital twin has 3 key parts. 1, the real thing. 2, the virtual version. 3, a live data connection that keeps them synced. Add sensors, AI, and smart dashboards. And suddenly you've got a tool that can monitor, predict, and optimize anything, from machines to entire cities. Here's where you see digital twins every day. Hospitals use heart twins to simulate treatments. Farms use soil twins to water crops precisely. Delivery companies run fleet twins to prevent breakdowns. This is all happening right now, not sci-fi. Now think bigger. The EU is building a digital twin of our entire planet, called Destination Earth. Its mission: to simulate climate risks like floods and heat waves, so governments can plan smarter. It pulls real-time satellite data into AI-driven models, run on Europe's most powerful supercomputers. For businesses, digital twins mean fewer surprises, less waste, and better planning. Factories use them to predict machine failures. Retail chains simulate supply chains to cut costs. Car makers crash test virtual prototypes. Even cities use twins to plan traffic flow, energy grids, and emergency responses. Here's the reality. Digital twins need tons of clean data, reliable sensors, smart teams to run them. Plus, they raise questions. Who owns your twins' data? How do we stop bias? Will everyone benefit, or just big players? So here's the big picture. Digital twins are changing how we design, heal, protect, from your wrist to the whole planet. And that's why they're true tech disruptors. In our next episode, we'll explore another big disruptor: blockchain, and how it's making global supply chains smarter, fairer, and faster. If you learned something new, hit like, smash subscribe, and share your questions below. What other tech disruptors should we unpack? Thanks for watching Tech Disruptors. See you in the next one.